Hello dear Leo, welcome to my channel, and this is your third week exclusive love reading plus career reading for the month of August. Yes, so we are already in August. I can't believe it. I'm still stuck in July mentally. Yes, so this is your weekly reading. If you have a question on your mind, do think about it so that you can get an answer in this reading. And your cards are already out, so let's begin with your career. First, you have got the Master card and the Nine of Suns. I do feel that you have a very giving and kind energy, like you are ready to do anything for the people, for your staff, employees, servants, right? Colleagues. So you have a very generous and kind energy. I do feel that you are in a business or job where people are dependent on you, right? Like a doctor, like an artist, like pilot, right? People trust you, like consultant. They do trust you. But this week there are some notorious beings who do not stand anywhere in front of you in skill, experience, but they are trying to bring you down in some way. They are getting into fights with you unnecessarily to make sure that you are proved wrong in some way and they can gain whatever they are able to from this situation. This week you are asked to stay away from such notorious lot, okay? Take a break, go somewhere. I also see that you have made some wrong decisions, maybe trusted a few wrong people here and there, and you need to analyze and reassess your life also. Like, who should I trust? Who should I not? What move should I make? Do I need to change the job? Do I need to change something in my business line, right? There are a lot of things that you need to reassess. Uh, this situation currently, your own decisions could be causing you a lot of frustration and stagnation in your life, but please do not indulge in any fight this week. Just take a break, go away from these people, take a weekend off. When you take a break from this situation, which is very messy around you, you will be able to think clearly. You will be able to get fresh perspective on how to deal with the problems that you are dealing with currently. And then that will make your life a lot easier. So taking a break is very important, because if you continue to stay in this situation thinking that you will manage, you won't be able to manage, because you are coming up with the same solutions which are not working out for you, right? And that is why a change of scenery is important for you. But yes, when you do take that break, however short it can be, like a weekend getaway, like a day off, right? When you're away from these people, you will be able to uh, analyze and reassess where your life is going from here, where you want to go, where it is currently, and you will be able to change accordingly and come up with some very bright ideas and good decisions. Okay, so do that, it's very important. Let's see what's happening in your love life now. You've got the Five of Moons and the Pepes card. I do see that you have a lot of nostalgia. Like maybe in the past you did something because of which that person is not in your life, or you did not do something because of which that person is not in your life. You are missing them, living those old memories, wishing that they will come back, right? With the Pepes energy here, I do see that you're very wise and intuitive, okay? But sometimes you don't follow your own guidance. Maybe you knew intuitively what is going to happen in your love life, but you ignored it. And if this week you are living in the past, hoping and waiting for someone to come back, please make sure that intuitively you will know if this person is right for you or not. So please follow the guidance. And if intuitively you know that you have done something wrong and that you need to take that kind of effort, please do that as well. Whatever your intuition is telling you, guiding you regarding your love relationships, you need to follow that this week. It's very, very important. Also, this is the card of action, so maybe you need to take some sort of action here as well. Okay, but after a lot of thinking. Do not make impulsive decisions either in your work or in your love life, because it's going to backfire. Okay, it's going to create more problems for you. So please make sure that you are intuitively guided. Okay, listen to your intuition, your higher wisdom. It will always protect you, guide you, and you will be making right decisions, like who to choose, who to marry, right? Whether to apologize, give this person another chance or not, right? Or how to work on my relationship to make it better. Maybe with my in-laws, maybe with my husband. All these things will come with a guided intuition, and you are a wise person, so please use that. And this was a general reading. If you guys resonated with this, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. If you would like to book your own personal reading, I take personal readings as well. You can check out the description box for more services like no contact readings, love connection readings, and also rituals. This is a powerful time going on. It was 8/8 portal and now it is full moon. Next 5 days are also very auspicious. If you missed your chance to manifest or do a blockage removal ritual, this is your time right now. So please start your rituals right away. Next, I do have a discount going on my unlimited audio video call sessions where you can ask as many questions as you want within a certain period, 30 minutes or 45 minutes. Or if you would like to book a spiritual counseling session, there's a 10% discount going on there as well. You can come to me, ask me for guidance if you feel stuck, share your problems, okay? If you're not able to trust anybody else because you think people will make fun of you or judge you, this is a judgment free reading. It's a session where I will be guiding you with the help of your spirit guides and giving you a remedy here as well. If you're looking for budget readings, that's available in all the readings which are budgeted are under 1,000 rupees. Okay, so check out the packages also if you want to ask more than one questions but don't want to go for unlimited questions. The package option is very reasonable and it comes with a free remedy as well. It's available for singles, for couples, for career and for friendship as well. So check out the description box and please guys follow me on Instagram, the Moksha Tarot. On my story, I keep on posting the prices so that it's easy for you, the discounts, the new services launched on my channel, when my channel is closed, when is the right time to do the rituals, what is happening in the cosmos. You will be updated with all that information. So please follow me on Instagram, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and take care of yourself. I will see you very soon. Bye bye.